Hi, I'm David Scott, photography professor at Humber. This video is designed to help you choose and upload images when applying to our photography program. We're looking for potential, students that really want to learn photography. We're also looking for a breadth of visual curiosity, documenting the world from various perspectives. Try to include images taken from different angles, ground level, eye level, looking down on scenes. Have some pictures with foreground objects close to camera, or close-up shots of objects and people, along with some wider angle images where the background is part of the story. We like to see different types of light used. For instance, daylight coming from the side, or backlit, or try using indoor lighting. Some images can include portraits, some of places, some of objects, a wide range of content. We like to see a few black and white images, or desaturated. And if Photoshop is your thing, then show us your composites.
My name is Paula Rosuri, and I'm a photography student at Humber. To start with, you need to create a free account at humber.slideroom.com and select the photography program to submit. For your portfolio submission, you have to upload 12 JPEG images. Size should be approximately 1500 pixels longest dimension and resolution 150 ppi. With my portfolio submission, I wanted to show a few different things that I'm interested in documenting. I wanted to give an impression that I like to photograph daily life and moments. If I included an outdoor shot, I wanted an indoor shot. I wanted some black and white to showcase range. Most of my photographs are of travels with my family, experiencing new environments.
Overall, try to upload a selection of images that show a range of approaches with a variety of light, subject, and angles. Humber is a great place to learn and grow as a photographer. We look forward to seeing your work.